Subscribers, welcome back to Enamored Beauty. Today I'm sharing with you all some beauty products that were gifted to me by eCosmetics. First, I want to say thank you so much to eCosmetics for sending these products over so that I can share with my community. I love a good deal, you all know that, and I'm excited to walk through these products with you. Before we get into the products, I want to tell you a little bit about eCosmetics. They carry so many brands that we know and love, which make it really easy when you want to explore what's over there. So I really appreciate that they have a lot of the brands I already use in my routine: Chanel, Dior, YSL, Elemis, 111 Skin, and Supergoop, as well as Charlotte Tilbury. Natasha Denona is also there, which you guys know I share with you all the time when her products hit. They offer a hassle-free shopping experience, 30-day returns, and 100% guarantee on the products that you purchase. They also have real live customer service via phone, email, or web chat where you can connect to get help. And they gave me an exclusive community code. It is SUNS20, SUNS20, where you can save 20% on their website using my code and my link. So let's get into what they sent me per my request on today. So the first item is the La Bamba Carolina Herrera Eau de Parfum. I have a 1 ounce bottle here. It's described as a fruity burst of exotic pitaya and rich floral notes of cherry, peony, and red frangipani with a radiant infusion of solar vanilla. You all, I have smelled this fragrance. The packaging is so pretty. I cannot wait to put it on. I'm going to put it on with you all today because I want to show you the beautiful bottle, you guys. Look at this bottle. It's a butterfly. Can you believe that? Look how stunning that is. And then it has this, the top looks like this with the logo across, and this is like a marble. And then you pull it off just like that. I'm a vanilla girl, so I love vanilla. You see the atomizer, really easy to apply. Oh yeah, that smells beautiful. Let's put some here too. Can never smell too good, right? The next item I received is a lip gloss. Now, I am already wearing this. This is the YSL Love Shine Plumping Lip Oil Gloss in the shade number 5, California Sunshine. And I am a California girl, born and raised. So when I saw this, I knew I had to have it. Look at how beautiful the packaging is. You guys know I'm a silver tone girl at heart. Love this packaging by YSL. Feels great on the lips. Has a little tingling sensation. Not much. Right? Feels good. If you have sensitive skin, I think you can give it a try. I have sensitive skin and it doesn't bother me. It doesn't tingle too much whatsoever. And then the last item was this pencil sharpener by Palladio. It is made in Germany. And I just feel like you can never have too many sharpeners. I really like it because it has 2 openings, right? One for a larger pencil, one for a smaller pencil. I love that the shavings are then caught and then you just open it to discard the contents. Thank you again to eCosmetics for sending over these products. Again, remember, if you're interested, you can shop eCosmetics using my code SUNS20 to save 20% at checkout. I've linked everything that I shared with you today directly to the video. I would appreciate it if you would let me know if you're new to my channel. Also, have you heard of eCosmetics before? Have you shopped eCosmetics before? If you have shopped eCosmetics, what was your experience? Let me know down below. Until next time, remember, always keep it real, always keep it raw, and always keep it relatable.